It's a small town mystery, which has become one of Australia's biggest murder trials. At its heart, a beef Wellington and a batch of poisonous mushrooms. And the question, how did a family dinner leave 3 people dead and 1 fighting for their life in a coma? This case has gripped the country. Mother of 2, Erin Patterson, has been on trial in the Victorian town of Morwell. She was accused of murdering her estranged husband's parents and his aunt in 2023 in the town of Leongatha by poisoning them with a beef Wellington that included toxic death cap mushrooms. Don and Gail Patterson and Gail's sister Heather Wilkinson died after becoming severely ill after the lunch. Heather's husband Ian Wilkinson was also seriously sick but survived. Over the course of the 9-week trial, the prosecution accused Patterson of sinister deception. They said that she had deliberately foraged for the mushrooms, dried them, measured them, and delivered a fatal dose as she served dinner to her guests. She said she didn't own a food dehydrator, even though one was later found at a local rubbish tip, with her fingerprints on it and traces of the deadly mushrooms. She also admitted to the court she had told her former in-laws that she had cancer, even though she'd never been diagnosed with it. Erin Patterson's estranged husband Simon Patterson told the court that in the lead up to the deadly lunch, there were relationship problems over issues like child support. And the survivor, Ian Wilkinson, he told the court that Erin Patterson served her own meal on a different coloured plate to that of her guests. The prosecution argued that allowed Patterson to make sure that she didn't eat a poisoned piece. It also argued that she cooked it as individual pies and not one large log, so that she could also avoid eating the death cap mushrooms. Patterson was the only witness for the defence. She spent 8 days in the box and strongly denied the charges against her. They conceded she had lied about foraging for mushrooms and claimed she had no reason to kill her estranged husband's family. This case has gripped Australia and the world. Mushrooms and allegations of murder. Little wonder it's captured people's attention.